Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp soup Mexican style. First, select fresh, high-quality shrimp, about 1.5 pounds for the best flavor. Next, prepare your vegetables, including 2 ripe tomatoes, half an onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. These fresh ingredients are crucial for building the authentic taste of this comforting soup. We'll also need some key spices to enhance the broth. To create a truly authentic Mexican shrimp soup, start by sautéing the shrimp shells with 1/4 of an onion and 1 clove of garlic. Add about 6 cups of water and simmer for at least 20 minutes to develop a rich, aromatic broth. Strain the broth, discarding the solids, and set it aside. Meanwhile, clean and deveined your shrimp, ensuring they are ready for cooking. Now, let's bring it all together. Sauté the remaining onion, garlic, and tomatoes until softened. Blend these cooked vegetables with a cup of the prepared shrimp broth until smooth, then return this mixture to the pot with the rest of the broth. Bring to a gentle simmer, then add your cleaned shrimp. Cook for only about 3 to 5 minutes until the shrimp turn pink and are just cooked through. Your delicious Mexican shrimp soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and serve immediately. Offer a variety of fresh garnishes like chopped cilantro, diced avocado, and plenty of lime wedges for a bright, zesty finish. This soup is perfect with warm corn tortillas on the side. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Enjoy every spoonful of this flavorful, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.